Hello guys, today we're going, remember it's 30 cards. Okay, today we're going to, I put something in these Play-Dohs so we could dig and find what's in here. Let's get this out thing. Alright, so we have yellow and red, so we'll start with the red Play-Doh. Don't see anything. Oh, I see something. It's kind of white. What is this? What is this? Interesting. Don't need my knife anymore. Oh, I see. This little thing was in the Play-Doh. Oh. Okay, so we'll slide this Play-Doh over here. Then we'll open the yellow Play-Doh. Wonder what's in here. This is hard to open. Got it. Oh, got it. So see the yellow Play-Doh. Going to open now this side. This is going to don't see anything. Let's check on this one. It's so hard to find them. I see something. Is it? It is. I forgot where I put it here. Now I remember. It's a marble. A little marble. A little marble to play with. Okay, I might do this again, but for now, bye.